Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock using Knorr cubes. First, gather your essential ingredients. Knorr chicken bouillon cubes in the appropriate amount of water. You'll also need a large pot and a stirring spoon. For an even richer flavor, consider having some aromatics like a quartered onion, a celery stalk, and a few garlic cloves ready to go. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious homemade stock. Once your ingredients are ready, measure the precise amount of water recommended for your Knorr cubes. Pour this water into your large pot and bring it to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as the water starts to bubble, carefully add the Knorr chicken bouillon cubes. This initial step is crucial for ensuring the cubes dissolve properly and create a consistent flavor base for your stock. After adding the cubes, stir continuously until they are completely dissolved in the hot water. Once dissolved, reduce the heat to low and let your stock simmer gently for about 10 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. If you're using aromatics or herbs like fresh parsley or a bay leaf, now is the perfect time to add them for an extra layer of deliciousness. Once your stock has simmered, remove it from the heat. If you added any solid aromatics or herbs, carefully strain them out for a clear stock. Allow the finished chicken stock to cool completely before storing it. You can then transfer it to airtight containers and refrigerate for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer use. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.